Keeping your Windows OS up to date is one of the most fundamental things you can do to reduce the impact of bugs and address known problems. And while most people won't have any issues during the Windows upgrade process, we nevertheless might on occasion. If you have a Windows 11 machine that is unable to download or install updates and is stuck on the checking for updates error screen, this video will show you the steps you may take to fix the problem. In certain cases, the issue can be easily resolved by just restarting the computer. Simply restarting the machine may be all that's needed to fix the issue at hand. By doing so, your computer will stop looking for available updates, which might solve the issue. Problems with Windows Update can be fixed with the help of the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The Windows Update Troubleshooter is the application to use if you are experiencing problems or getting an error with Windows updates. Always remember that Windows Update troubleshooting is a simple approach to fix problems, so it's always worth a shot. You may launch Windows 11's troubleshooter in the following ways. Right-click the Start button and select the Settings app. Go to the System tab. In the System tab, select Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. Click the Run option for the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Historically, some customers have had success fixing Windows Update problems and failures by ensuring that the Windows Update service is actively operating. Getting Windows Update back online is as simple as opening the Services panel. What you should do is this. On your keyboard, press the Windows key plus R. In the Run dialog box that opens, type in services.msc. Once the Services window appears, find Windows Update and right-click on it. Select Stop. Wait for a few moments, then hit Start. The most recent Windows updates may only be downloaded and installed if your computer's system date and time are accurate. If the update servers used by Microsoft determine that your computer's time zone and date time do not match those of your actual location and genuine date time, they will block your system from receiving the updates. Malware has been known to corrupt, damage, or even delete essential Windows system files. Windows may or may not have update problems, depending on the files that are corrupted. We advise running an antivirus scan to see whether a virus or other harmful software is to blame for your issue. If you don't already have anti-malware software, Microsoft provides its own protections in the form of Windows Defender and Windows Security Center. Malware isn't always to blame when issues arise with the computer. Sometimes the antivirus program itself is to blame. After updating your antivirus software and scanning the system, if the situation does not improve, you may choose to disable the software because certain Windows computers have issues with their antivirus software, which prevents them from downloading and updating. This is necessary. Whether experimenting with your antivirus software didn't solve the issue, you might check to see if an ongoing upgrade of any other Microsoft software is to blame. Your computer may become stuck indefinitely on the checking for updates screen if other Microsoft product upgrades are still in progress and are using up system resources or taking precedence over your download. Following these procedures will guarantee that no additional Microsoft updates will be installed at this time. Press the Windows key plus I to open the Settings app. Select Update and Security. Click on Advanced Options. Turn off Receive Updates for other Microsoft products when you update Windows. Restart your computer and check for the problem. Windows 11 Clean Boot Mode eliminates the possibility that starting programs or services may interfere with the setup procedure. By disabling any additional auto-starting applications and services, Windows may be set to start up quickly with minimal disruption. Some adjustments to MS-config settings are required to achieve this goal. Right-click on the Start button and select Run. In the Run dialog box, type in msconfig and hit OK. Plus in the General tab. Select Selective Startup and remove the checkmark for Load Startup option. Make sure to leave Load System Services and use Original Boot Configuration option selected. Select the Services tab and select the box next to hide all Microsoft services on the Services tab. Click Disable All to remove all listed third-party services from the startup. Press the Apply button and click OK. Select Restart on the dialog box prompt. Try updating Windows 11 after the restart. That's it. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it if you can leave a like, subscribe to our channel, or share this video to your friends. This can greatly help in making sure that Google's algorithm can find and recommend this video to others.